Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be learning or rather discussing on how we can disassemble this softbox. Now this softbox is from a company called Godox. Yours could be a different brand. In the previous video we discussed how to assemble this. So if you are a beginner looking to assemble this product, so you can just click the link in the description box below, but this video is solely for the purpose of disassembling, which in this case you can see I have assembled it all together and I'm just going to begin the process of disassembly. We're going to start off by peeling off this outer layer of this white cloth. You can see, just pull it loose from the four sides. So nothing big of a science over here. You just pull these layers and just untie this. Pull this, untie this, and repeat the same. So here the outer layer has come off. For now I'm just going to leave this somewhere. Now you can see this inside layer. If you've tucked this in as well previously, you can see this little pin over here. So let me just zoom a little bit and show that little part to you. If you focus closely here, you'll find a certain pin which you can untie loose, and it's a very basic one, nothing much of a science again. So you just have to hold this down and remove this from 4 of these layers. So let me do that as well. So now the inside layer has also come off. Now we're going to turn towards the back of this Godox. So if you look at it from behind, you can see these 4 sides ends. What you do is this has been stuck towards each of these sides. So you just untie this like this. So you can see, you just have to untie this and untie this again. So now you can see the little sticks over here, right? So in the assembly video, we learned how to put this. Now we just have to repeat the same step to remove this. To remove this, you can just do so from here, but I would recommend not to from this ring side, but rather from the top sides towards each of those corners. So let me turn this softbox around again. So from each of these corners, you just pull. Don't worry, the stick is actually bendable, but don't bend it to the maximum level. And you can just hold the stick down while just pulling this cloth a bit upward like this, and it will just come off like this, as you can see. And you can repeat this for the bottom and all the remaining sides again. Now you don't have to do anything. You can just peel this stick off and you can see that it is just going to come out from each of these layers that we tied to earlier. So you can repeat this again for all the 4 different sides. So now the Velcro has been come off, right? It has been cut off. We'll leave this down and these sticks also have come off. Now the final step that remains for us is that we remove this little ring over here. So this one I'll show you by zooming in on the camera a little bit. So if you look at the top, here you can see this little knob over here. And you can see this outer ring. So only this outer ring is able to come off. You just hold this knob downwards while holding this ring towards the left hand side like this. And you can see it will come off. So the way you take it off is you can see these 3 little places to tie these to. You just have to rotate until the 3 little sides over here, they untie and reach a certain level. And when you do that and just do a simple rotation, it's going to come off. But before you do that, you have to make sure to hold this little knob over here so that it doesn't break loose. And this was a simple disassembly guide for those users who are trying to disassemble a Godox or a softbox, I would say. Hope this video helped you out. And again, as I said at the start of this video, if you want an assembly guide again, I have already made a tutorial for that as well. If this video did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.